Hello, good afternoon. Today we have Mr. David Zhao from Sungrow. He is Senior Vice President PV and Storage Division President, and his designation, his qualification is PhD. David, can you please tell us something about Sungrow, your roadmap for new products, new technologies that you are bringing in?
Okay, thank you. Basically, Sungrow was set up in 1997. Till now, we have nearly 20 years old. In past 20 years, we are focused on the innovation of technology. So you can see now we have every year we want to promote several new products. Now we are in the globally we are not only promote the central inverter and also string inverter, inverters, and especially in the India market. Now we are promote the 2.5 megawatt solution and 60 and 80 kilowatt string inverters. In the next step, maybe next year, we want to promote the new series of the product. That means it focus on the 1500 volts solutions. Not only the central inverter and also the string inverters.
So, as on date, what is the global installed capacity of Sungrow?
Basically, till now, we are globally employment is around 26 gigawatts globally.
So what is the market position globally for Sungrow right now?
Just last year, we are 2015, we are shipment reached the 8.9 gigawatt globally. We are the rank number one.
Currently, Sungrow is number one and globally. Okay, and in India?
India, we are focused. This year, we want to shipment reach the 800 to 1 gigawatt. In India.
How do you see Indian market growing?
Of course. Recently we can see the Indian market is a very strong support by the government. And also some very good policy to support this market growing. Keep it growing. So we can see Indian market will growing, becomes the second largest PV market globally. So we have great interest in this market.
Now, Mr. Zhao, can you please tell us, now India has a very climatic conditions, very different climatic conditions. So has Sungrow faced any challenges regarding climatic conditions while installing its inverters in India?
I can see, India has different climate conditions. But also, we have to ship our product globally, in everywhere. Not only in the desert, and also you can see in some the island, very hot island, and even in the Africa, in the different area. So I think our product is suitable and compliant to the different area in India. And till now, our performance in the different installation in India is very good. So I think you can get used to it.
Can you please tell us something about the new technologies that Sungrow is bringing in, new products that globally Sungrow wants to announce in next couple of months?
Just recently, we announced our 1500 volt string inverters. We announced in China, 80 kilowatt is a string inverter. In next step, also we want to promote the big one, the string inverter for the 1500 volt. And in the past 2 years, we have announced the several product and the solution for the central inverter for the 1500 volt systems. Now the 3 megawatt total solution for the 1500 volt have the nearly 100 megawatt installation in Chinese market.
How do you see Indian market for storage. China already has started storage installed in couple of parks. Grid level storage I am talking about. How do you see Indian storage market coming up?
Also, from Sungrow, we also can supply the total solution for storage system. And also we have finished many projects in China, storage system. And we can see there are several application situation in India need this requirement. First one, I think in some grid is not so stable situation in some area. Some industry, if they need the very stable power supply, in this situation need some storage system. Yeah, and another situation we can see with the renewable energy using more and more, maybe will be some challenge of the safety of the grid. So at this situation, we can use some storage system to support the grid. So I think this is a two application situation will come up. And just for reference, for information, we just finished one project, using in India. 1 megawatt the storage system. We have finished, and are running now.
So was that storage from Samsung?
We have set up a joint venture with Samsung, so we can get the very good battery from Samsung, and also we can do our inverter, bi-directional inverter, and also the EMS system. We can supply the customer with total solution.
Can you please tell us more about your partnership with Samsung Storage, Samsung SDI rather? What kind of partnership, what kind of deal is this? I mean, these are all compatible storage with Sungrow inverters. So how this is going to help the storage partner, your storage partner Samsung, to establish in this market?
Basically, why we select the Samsung become our partner, because we can see the lithium battery many manufacturer focus on this area for this technology. But Samsung has a very strong technical background in this area, and there's lithium battery from Samsung is most safety till now is globally. So we think about the safety is very important, and also Samsung battery has a very long lifetime, and also the cycle, the very high cycle. So we think the Samsung technology is very good. So we want to cooperation with them. And the Samsung also want think about Sungrow. We are strong in the inverter and the system integration. So we select, so they select us. So we become the partner to join this market.
The production facility is also set up in China.
Sure.
So can you please tell me what this partnership will be in India? I mean, whether Sungrow will be selling this with their inverters in near future, or Samsung will pitch separately for the storage in the coming projects?
Until now, we are selling the total system from China directly, and also next step we can think about this your suggestion. Maybe we can looking for some local partner. We can maybe some possibility to set up a facility here. To doing the inverter. Maybe the storage systems.
Mr. Zhao, can you please, since you are technologically very sound in storage, how soon do you see lithium-ion prices coming down?
Now the barrier of the storage system application is the cost of the system. And we can say because with the China with very high speed increase of the electrical vehicle. So they use a lot of the lithium battery. This have the same technology. So we can see the forecast for the price and cost of the drop will be with the 15% to 20% year to year.
20% year on year.
So also I think is maybe next year it makes sense to using more and more storage systems.
Can you please tell us what is Sungrow's roadmap for India? How India is placed globally in Sungrow's map?
I think we can see the Indian market is very similar with the Chinese market. Yeah, sometimes have the same the requirement. Yeah, so we are developing the develop the product with the same platform. So now we are announced the 1500 volts the portfolio for Chinese market, so we can copy that to Indian market. And so next step, we want to enhance our 1500 volts central volt bigger and bigger. It is maybe decrease the system's cost and decrease the LCOE, cost of the energy, in the PV plant. So this is our strategy. So next year maybe come up with more and more the 1500 volts the product.
Fine, Mr. Jal. Thank you so much for your time.